At Mid-America Science Park, we offer a lot of courses ranging to help any industrial maintenance type people serving the local community. That's anything from industrial electronics to PLC. We do a quality program that everybody's involved in the RMA can make use of. We've also taught some leadership courses. Myself, I actually teach some of the manufacturing courses here, like industrial maintenance and anything related to machine shop services. Once we build a curriculum, we make sure we get approval of everybody involved. We do a pilot program and we kind of run through it, and all the people from the factories are involved through the whole process. On the front end, during the process, they're kind of getting with the people they've got attending the courses, and then they do follow-ups afterwards and make sure what do we got to do to correct them and make them even better going forward. We're listening to what their needs are, and we're building what they need, and so it's been nothing but great response from everybody. Everybody's very happy with what we're doing. I think it's a great resource having here locally. Like I said, they don't have to travel to another city. I mean, they're right here. A lot of people that's in our programs, they come to take some of our courses, go back to work, or maybe been at work earlier shift and come in the middle of the day. Or we're really flexible. The big thing we offer is that we're trying to really focus on the skills that they need. Whatever improvements they can do today and learn today, they can apply on the job factory floor tomorrow. And I think just that's been our focus of everything we do, and it's just been a big success for us.